The treasure house is within you. Look within for the answer to your heart's desire. You spend 8 hours a day, or 1/3 of your entire life, in sleep. This is an inexorable law of life. But sleep is not merely a resting of the body. It is a divine period where your conscious mind withdraws and your subconscious mind takes over. Your subconscious mind never sleeps. It never rests. It is always on the job. It controls your heartbeat, your digestion, and the healing of your body while you lie there unconscious. But it does something far greater than that. It listens. The 5 minutes before you fall asleep are the most important minutes of your entire day. You must understand the relationship between your two minds. Think of your conscious mind as the captain on the bridge of a ship. The captain directs the ship. He sends orders to the men in the engine room. The men in the engine room do not know where they are going. They simply follow orders. If the captain says, "Full speed ahead into the rocks," the men in the engine room will drive the ship into the rocks because they obey the captain. Your subconscious mind is the engine room. It takes orders from you, the captain, based on what you believe and what you say. During the day, your conscious mind acts as a watchman at the gate. It filters out ideas. If you say, "I am wealthy," your conscious mind looks at your bank account and says, "No, you are not." It rejects the seed. But as you drift off to sleep, the conscious mind becomes drowsy. The watchman falls asleep. The gate to the subconscious is left wide open. Whatever you drop into that deep well during those final moments will be accepted as truth. It must come to pass. Most people use these precious minutes to destroy their lives. They lie in bed and replay the arguments of the day. They worry about the bills on the counter. They say to themselves, "I don't know how I'm going to make it." They are programming their subconscious mind for failure, for lack, and for sickness. And the subconscious, being a faithful servant, accepts these orders and manifests them in the morning. You must stop this immediately. You must use the law of your mind to create wealth and harmony. Tonight, as you get into bed, realize that you are entering your spiritual workshop. Relax your body. Let go of the tension in your muscles. Tell your body to be still. When you are in that state akin to sleep, drowsy, peaceful, and quiet, speak the word. Do not strain. Do not force. Simply talk to your subconscious mind as you would talk to a friend. Let us speak first of wealth. Money is not evil. Money is a symbol of exchange. It means freedom from want. It means beauty, luxury, and abundance. If you are struggling financially, it is because you have convinced your subconscious mind that money is hard to get. You must reverse this tonight. As you close your eyes, repeat this phrase: "Money is forever circulating in my life, and there is always a divine surplus. I am happy, I am whole, and I am free." The infinite intelligence of my subconscious mind reveals to me my true place in life. I sleep in peace, and I wake in joy. Repeat this slowly. Feel the reality of it. Do not let your mind wander to the bills. If the old worry comes back, simply say to it, "I have given the order. It is done." Now, let us speak of health. Your body is a reflection of your mind. If you go to sleep thinking of pain or fearing a diagnosis, you are commanding your subconscious to create more of it. Your subconscious mind built your body from a single cell. Surely it can heal it. If you need healing, say this: "The healing presence is now at work in me. Every cell, nerve, tissue, and organ is being washed in the river of peace." My body is a temple of the living God. I am becoming whole, perfect, and strong. The miracle of healing is taking place right now. Feel the truth of this. Know that while you sleep, the infinite intelligence within you is repairing the damage, guided by your faith. There is also a technique for those who have a difficult problem to solve. Perhaps you need to make a decision in business, or you are unsure which path to take. Your conscious mind is confused, but your subconscious mind knows all. It sees all. Before you sleep, say to the infinite intelligence within you, I know that the infinite intelligence of my subconscious mind knows the answer. It reveals to me the perfect solution. I will wake up with the answer clearly in my mind. I give thanks for the answer which I know is on its way. Then, drop it. Go to sleep. Do not worry about it. You may wake up in the middle of the night with a sudden idea, or the answer may come to you in the morning while you are brushing your teeth. It will come as a feeling of inner certainty. Remember, the law of the subconscious is the law of compulsion. Whatever you impress upon it, it must express. It does not argue with you. It simply produces the result. If you are resentful or angry with anyone, you must clear this before sleep. You cannot plant a seed of wealth in a garden filled with the weeds of bitterness. Bitterness is poison to your body and your bank account. Say quietly, I freely forgive everyone. I release them and I let them go. I am at peace with all men, and all men are at peace with me. Now you are clean. You are ready to plant. If you find it difficult to memorize long phrases, there is an even simpler way. It was taught by a brilliant psychologist named Charles Baudouin. He taught that the best way to impress the subconscious is to condense your desire into a simple phrase, like a lullaby. If you want wealth, simply lull yourself to sleep with the single word, wealth. Say it over and over. Wealth. 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 Do not say, I will be wealthy, for that implies you are not now. Just say the word, wealth. Your subconscious mind knows what it means. It will amplify it. It will bring it to pass. Or you might say, success. Or, thank you. The phrase, thank you, is one of the most powerful prayers in the world. It implies that the gift has already been given. Thank you, Father. Repeat it until you drift off into the deep ocean of sleep. If you have a specific need, perhaps a healing or a sum of money, visualize the end result. See yourself shaking the hand of the doctor who tells you that you are cured. See the check in your hand. Feel the paper. Smell the ink. Do not worry about how it will happen. That is not your job. Your job is to deposit the seed. The subconscious mind has ways you know not of. It will arrange the meetings, the events, and the circumstances to bring your desire to pass. If worry tries to creep in, say to it quietly, I have turned this over to the God Self within. It is done. Go to sleep with the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Let your last thought be one of gratitude and joy. If you do this, you will wake up in a new world. The law is exact. As you sow in your subconscious, so shall you reap in your life. Sleep in peace, and let the miracles begin.